The southern side canyons of Poison Spring Canyon are frequently visited for good reason. They're high quality, albeit relatively short, and they're fairly beginner-friendly with some technical challenges. Poison Spring is in the North Wash area of southern Utah between Hanksville and Lake Powell. The canyons are all named along a play on words combining poison and canyon terms. The western canyon is Arscenic, a combination of arsenic and scenic. It's a quality canyon worth visiting. Most parties will visit 2 of the southern side canyons in a day. It's a short approach hike to the dramatic start of the canyon, a 200-foot, 60-metre drop into an immediate slot. It's about 8 minutes from the car down into the Navajo and 13 to the drop. And the Navajo quickly forms a slot. Big boulder there slung. You can either tie off a 60-metre or try to rappel in 3 stages. Well, quite a bit of rope groove markings there. First rappel, about 14 metres maybe to Chockstone. There is an intermediate anchor here, but it's down climbable. Presumably there'll be another anchor on that Chockstone down there. We'll have a look. Yeah, looking back up the second stage, maybe 14 metres again into a little chamber. There is a dead man anchor here. But for an easier pull, there's a red sling around the boulder. It's close to 20 metres, might be a bit more. Looking back up the third stage of that long rappel, long drop. 40-metre rope, it's about 1 metre left at the end. It's definitely easier without a pack. Immediately below the 3-stage rappel is a down climb that will be comfortable for most, but some may like a rope. The main technical challenges are now over, but the quality canyon continues for a few hundred yards with some minor down climbs between corridors. A nice corkscrew down climb through there. It's actually easier to see on the camera than it is. My eyes still can't pick out any of the features in there. It's completely dark for me. Beautiful slot. This section of canyon is fantastic. Cameras simply don't do it justice. The sculpted walls, deep inside the rock, twisting and turning, convoluted, it's just fantastic. Guidebook author Michael Kelsey suggests that Arscenic is likely the best of the Poison Spring canyons. At least, it probably is the most beautiful. And it seems to be opening up. That was quite short. It certainly felt very short. We have gone back into some narrows, but not as deep or impressive as the first set. The canyon opens again at a 90-degree bend, then one final down climb and short corridor before the walls open up for good. Wander down the wash until the slick rock angle eases on the left to exit. Looking back into the final section. To get out, you just follow it down until you can walk out on the left. You'll find a trail that leads to the head of the canyon. Navigation back to the car is cross-country across the shifting sands. North Wash is a destination for canyoneering, and the southern side canyons of Poison Spring Canyon are a key contribution to that worthy reputation. Arscenic is a fantastic half-day canyoneering adventure.